Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 3LT Z51 in Rapid Blue on Tension and Twilight Blue interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. This is the new mid-engine Corvette, so we've got the trunk section here in the back. Where the removable target top clips in nicely, and then in front we've got the mid-engine here, which is a V8 6.2 liter motor. It's 495 horsepower with the Z51 pack and the performance exhaust. This one has the carbon fiber dress-up kit on it. It's got the nice red valve covers down below. As you can see, here's the wire. It does have the mag ride or adjustable suspension, which is really nice. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk, and it does have soft close, so I just simply press and it pulls itself closed. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package, and we've got the rear view camera. So the rear view mirror can still function as a mirror, but if you flick the dongle at the bottom, it will display that camera on the mirror, which I'll show you. We've got the nice color-matched Z51 style rear spoiler. We've got the nice LED taillights, and we've got our reverse camera here as well. And we've got the quad tip exhaust. So there's 2 ports here and 2 ports here. And there is valves on them that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter, whichever you prefer. So we'll shift around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got carbon flash metallic painted wheels with the nice machined aluminum outside ring. Looks great. And we've got the nice black Z51 calipers down there and nice Michelin tires. We've got the carbon flash metallic accent here, and I just want to show you on the door we do have the exposed carbon fiber mirror as well. So to open the door, there's a handle underneath here, or a button, and I'll let you have a look here at the door panel. So it's Tension and Twilight Blue, the 2 colors mixed together, and we've got the nice blue stitch as well. We've got the 10-speaker Bose Performance Series stereo. You've got memory seats for your passenger. We've got the nice carbon fiber inlay, our electronic door release, and our power locks and power windows. So just have a look at the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in great shape, as you can see. Here's our power seat. So you've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. This one has the nice GT2 seats in it. So it's got the nice perforated leather. Looks great. And there's the top. And we've got the embroidered or embossed Corvette logo up the top. And we've got the carbon fiber inlay here as well. And we also have the nice blue seat belts to match. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. It's nice and clean. I'll have a look in the glove box. So the glove box, we do have the books. They're new and sealed. A couple of the tags that were removed are placed there as well. So we'll close that up. And to open that, it's just this button here. We've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along the dash. Have a look at the dash wheel here on this side. Looks great. And then with the 3LT, you also get the Alcantara finish that runs up the A-pillar and up and over on the top. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Awesome. So here we are at the front wheel. So again, nice Z51 carbon flash metallic wheels with the machined aluminum finish around the outside. We've got the nice black Z51 calipers and the nice Michelin tires on there. So we'll just shift around to the front. So here we are at the front. We've got the front trunk. So it's got the cargo netting down there. Let's see, this is the privacy shield, so it's got that. And we've got the fuel filler tube, and we have the original window sticker with it as well. So on the trunk, you've got a release, and you also have a 12-volt socket or charger port here, and you've got your washer filler here as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. We'll just press, and we'll have a step back so you can see. So nice LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. This one has the carbon fiber winglets here in the front, and we've got curb view camera. So there's one there, and there's one over here on this side, and again that nice carbon fiber winglet there as well. Looks great. I'll just have a close look here, see if there's any stone chips or anything. It looks really good, so I don't see any stone chips. Nice and clean as it should be. So we'll just move around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice Z51 carbon flash wheels, Z51 black calipers, and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So over the driver's side, we'll have a look at the door. Again, we've got the nice carbon fiber inlay there. We've got our power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, Bose Performance Series 10 speaker stereo, 2 user memory for the driver's seat, and then also does the mirror position and the steering wheel position as well. And there's also a programmable exit button, so you can program the seat to move back when you get out of the car. You've got your power locks, electronic door release, and our front and rear trunk releases. And I will point out here on the mirror, so in the corner there, that is your blind spot monitoring system. And again, the nice exposed carbon fiber mirror housing. So have a look at the kick plate, it's in great shape. And here's your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We get in, we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 2,251, so nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. So I'll just step back so you can see the steering wheel. So we've got the blue insert here and the nice blue stitching around the steering wheel, looks great. Over here is our Z button, so when we press that, you can see on the dash it changes, that's your performance Z button. It also changes the tone of the exhaust and a few other settings. And we've got our cruise control buttons here, favorites or track change down below. And over on this side, we've got volume controls. We've got arrow keys here, which control the dash. So you get performance, audio, maintenance, options, simplify. So you've got some different controls that you can go through there on the dash. You've got your heated steering wheel, voice command, telephone hang up. You answer the phone with this guy. We've got our paddle shifters for manual mode, plus and minus. Over on this side is our heads-up display controls. So I'll just show you. So there it is on the steering, or excuse me, on the windshield. So we can change what is displayed there. So lots of different settings, and you can actually move the position as well. And then over here we have our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, electronic parking brake, and our dimmer switch down here. And over on this side we've got our push button start, and here's our screen. So we have apps OnStar, we have PDR, which is your performance data recorder. You can control your climate control settings on the screen. You've got cameras, so there's your front curve view camera, there's your reverse camera, and we've got nav, so you got full factory navigation on this. You've got audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, and then down below is our gear shifter. So we've got the park, you go like this, now it's in reverse, neutral, drive, and back to park. You've got traction control on and off. You've got the front camera, so when I press that, it pulls up the front camera. And we've got our mode selector. So to use the mode selector, you twist it like this, and on the screen it changes the mode. So you get touring, you get sport, track, and let's see. So that's it that way. So now we gotta twist it back the other way, and let's see, my mode, weather. So all your settings are down there. We've got the cup holder in here, and we've got 2 keys. So there's a key. It's got lock, unlock, remote start, front trunk, rear trunk, panic, and there is a metal key on there that does come out as well. So there's your 2 keys, and then we've got our heat control. So for the driver, you've got the temperature control here, heated and cooled seat, sync the 2 zones, automatic climate control, some of the zone settings, and then down below you've got heated and cooled seats for the passenger and passenger temperature as well. So there's the rear view mirror camera that I was talking about. So if I flick the dongle like so, it's a mirror, and then we flick it again and it's actually a screen. Above there's your OnStar, and this one does have the glass roof. So there's the transparent see-through blue roof panel, which looks great. And then behind me here, we have the Corvette Stingray nameplate, and we have a wireless phone charger as well. And then in the center armrest, you've got a couple of connections, so USB-A, USB-C, SD card slot, and auxiliary 3.5mm line in as well. So that's there. So now we'll just hop out with the running. We'll have a look and listen. Great bar to it. Sounds really nice. So I'll just hop out and I'll let you have a look with it running. Turned off the headlights, so I'll just turn those back on so we can see what that looks like. There it is. So here it is from the front with the headlights on. Looks sharp, and we'll scan down this side of the car. Looks good. There it is from the back. Exhaust sounds awesome. What a great jumbo. Has to be one of my favorite colors. Love the RapidBlue. So there it is, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Z51 RapidBlue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.